Welcome to Employment and Education News. This channel is only for you, so please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. It is free. Recruitment against sports quota in Central Industrial Security Force for 215 head constable post. Sports discipline: athletics, boxing, basketball, football, gymnastics, handball, hockey, shooting, swimming, volleyball, weightlifting, wrestling, taekwondo, bodybuilding. Eligibility: 12th. Age limit between 18 to 23 years, age on 1st August 2023. Last date for application 28 November 2023. Technical and tradesman post vacancy in Assam Rifles. Eligibility: 12th. ITI, Diploma in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Architectural Assistantship, Diploma in Radiology, Graduation with Madhyama in Sanskrit or Bhushan in Hindi, Bachelor degree in Electrical, Mechanical, Civil Engineering. Age limit between 18 to 23 years, age on 1st August 2023. Last date for application 19 November 2023. 10 officer trainee law post vacancy in Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. Eligibility: LLB and CLAT 2024. Age limit maximum 28 years, age on 29 November 2023. Apply between 9 November 2023 and 29 November 2023. Application fees Rs 500 and no fee for SC, ST, PWD, ex-serviceman, D-ex-serviceman candidate. 480 community health training, 500 community health officer post vacancy in National Health Mission, Madhya Pradesh. Eligibility: BSc Nursing, post basic BSc Nursing, GNM, BAMS. Age limit between 21 to 40 years. Last date for application 16 November 2023. 20 officer trainee finance post vacancy in Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. Eligibility: CA, CMA. Age limit maximum 28 years, age on 13 November 2023. Last date for application 13 November 2023. 184 engineer trainee electrical, civil, electronics, computer science post vacancy in Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. Eligibility: BE or BTech, BSc Engineering and GATE 2023 score. Age limit maximum 28 years, age on 10 November 2023. Last date for application 10 November 2023. Application fees Rs 500. Technical assistant and laboratory attendant post vacancy in ICMR, National Institute of Epidemiology. Eligibility: 10th. Bachelor degree in Statistics, Computer Science, Information Technology, Bachelor degree in Commerce, Economics, Health Management, Business Administration, Public Health, Epidemiology, Clinical Research, Biomedical Science, Biotechnology, Bachelor degree in Mass or Visual Communication or Advertising or Designing, Bachelor degree in Sociology, Anthropology, Social Work, Public Health, Medical Sociology, Nutrition, Psychology, Diploma in Electrical Engineering. Age limit maximum 30 years for technical assistant and between 18 to 25 years for laboratory attendant. Last date for application 8 November 2023. 5 technical officer, 60 technical assistant, 13 laboratory attendant post vacancy in ICMR, National Institute for Research in Tuberculosis. Eligibility: 10th. Postgraduate degree in Pharmacology, Biochemistry, Computer Science, Statistics, Bachelor degree in Microbiology, Biotechnology, Biochemistry, Pharmacology, Biomedical Sciences, Medical Laboratory Technology, Bachelor degree in Bioinformatics, Life Sciences, Diploma in Engineering, Bachelor degree in Engineering, Statistics, Economics, Pharmacy, Psychology, Social Work, Sociology, Bachelor degree in Radiography, Medical Technology, Bachelor degree in Veterinary Science. Age limit maximum 35 years for technical officer, 30 years for technical assistant and between 18 to 25 years for laboratory attendant. Last date for application 8 November 2023. Thanks for watching till the end.